BBY Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I am the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos under the belt, so I've seen, what's making me money and what's not. And then ultimately to say that the best buy stock for me, it's actually quite a long of a prediction. Let me just remove all that. When I say long, I mean best buy, higher time frame, definitely has to be like still a bullish range. But the only thing that I can begin buying here is if I really observe and see these shifts here. I want to see a full candle close above this $46 high. I mean, yes, this is mitigated here, but I do think that I'm kind of late, so I'm not going to force. And actually, nothing is stopping me from trying out my luck here as long as the rules are met. And if that does not quite happen, then I'm not going to quite buy. It's very simple. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy. See ya.